Welcome to the NA120 Network Automation 2020.X Essentials Instructor-Led Training Course Preview. The NA120 2020-02 ILT course is an essential course on NA software and is of 4 days duration. It uses NA version 2020.02 in the lab environment. It consists of 18 modules. This course is designed for network engineers and administrators. All the modules include hands-on lab exercises, and the lab environment contains the NA 120 2020.02 version software. This course provides a comprehensive and wide-ranging look at the NA tasks. You will get an opportunity to create, edit, and use templates and change plans. You will learn how to describe the NA application programming interfaces. You will also use NA to upgrade device operating systems. This 4 days instructor-led course will provide detailed information about specific areas of interest and demonstrate functionalities of NA. All the PowerPoint slides shown in the class with accompanying detailed notes are provided in the form of a student guide during the class. During the class, you have access to a virtual lab environment with a base NA implementation. Various hands-on exercises will help you to get acquainted with different aspects of NA product. You can find the link for NA course in the description. Click the Microfocus Software Education link in the description of this video to enroll or contact your software education customer service representative to learn more about additional Microfocus software training offerings.